people who will go against India are harmed. He controls all of wars. Listen, the more people we get, the more we risk him finding out about it all. Someone might spill it, huh? We can do it, but our men have these texts. The real problem we have now is finding his safe house.
Wait, well, this guy doesn't know where he is.
Oh, you do? Huh?
Oh, this guy, huh? If I did, I wouldn't be here. You do know him, right? You know where he is? And you work for him.
No, I don't. He's always moving around. But listen up, because I will find him. Someone will always talk when there's money involved. So, I say to him, we have a deal? You know I'm a man of my word. India will borrow. It's as good as deal.
You're so stupid. How do we go? A boy, a dying guy, get away from me. You let them get away. How did that happen? Were you a moron or something?
Listen, boss, that's not what happened.
Yeah. You're testing my patience, Rostos. You know what happens to people who are useless, don't you? No one's gonna be sleeping tonight. I want everyone working non-stop. Everyone pulling a double shift until we find them. Now go on. And you go, Chambers. You're sneaking up my lips. Go. You stink.
Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the surprise.
When you drink that tequila, you might as well be fed a coursing through your veins. With all the things that have happened to his family, you can only think about your ambitions after all this. And about punch. Those are
Are you serious?
Hold on. Okay, put it on his head.
I'm just trying to say yeah, it sounds like you're headed in the right place. The one thing that I'm curious about is why was Zerto throwing a party in your honor when he barely knows you?
Well, my guess is because he's trying to impress me. And also, he gave me 2 gifts.
And what were they?
He gave me the house where I used to live with Will. You remember that house we visited? He was the one who bought it. And he used the party to show off about what he did and how he would give it to me when I came back to the house.
your phone. Oh, come on.
It was fun, though. I'm happy to be here tonight. I won't tell you anything less. It's a big surprise, in as much as I suspected something I would like to, but I didn't know what. They said Benson and Hedges was doing something in house affair in Lekki. I was like, if Benson and Hedges was doing something in house affair, what's my business? I don't smoke. So it will be a disappointment me going there. He said, no, you have to come. He said, everybody there, let's go. He said, my brothers, whatever. I said, okay, I will come and support Benson and Hedges. Then I was there one morning, one guy came in, a teller, said, you want to come and mention me. This is not my style. I don't do things like this. I like to wear t-shirt or t-shirt. You know, the guy was mentioned, was like, what's going on? He said, you know, the body is like Friday last week. Look at it. I like it, but she not said I have to wear this thing and I have to talking. I said talking go where? I don't talking go where. I've not done this in my life. In fact, I was so uncomfortable when I entered here because it's not my style. I like my pants big. You know, all this one is fine boy business. I don't do fine boy business. You go out, mama. I do my traditional stuff and I'm happy with it. But anyway, I'm so grateful that you guys are here tonight. I love you all. Thank you very much and God bless you.
We love you.
I like you this. I like monster trucks. In fact, I should be the first Nigerian that brought the monster truck. My truck was selling like 950. So, we did that for there. But the most interesting part of my relationship with you, I'm a guy.